Alright, this next video is how to do a yeast starter. Now I use dry yeast. Well, for this batch I use liquid a bunch of different times, but I'm a fan of dry yeast better. But they tell you you don't have to do a yeast starter with dry yeast. I still do. So what you're going to do is boil 3/4 cups of water, boil another 3/4 cups of water, add a nice heaping tablespoon of sugar, or dextrose is what I use, or if you got DME or anything like that. But I use dextrose just because I have it sitting around. So scoop of that in some sterilized water. Once the water cools down enough, I'll dump 1 pack of dry yeast in there. Once it gets down to about 85° Fahrenheit temperature, I'll do my dry yeast in there, let it sit, and then I'll add the cooled down sugar water for the most part to there. Cover it up with saran wrap, wax paper. You'll see the yeast start bubbling up. Now I do that in the meantime because my mash is still going. It has about another hour of steeping. I have water for my sparge heating up here, so once I get the steeped mash water out of there, turning into wort, then I'll dump that water into my mash, get a little bit more liquid.